To add a Wix Pro Gallery to your website, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing your website editor. Click on the Add button on the top bar and select More from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type Pro Gallery and click on the result to open the Pro Gallery app page. Click the Add to Site button to install the app. Once installed, click on the Add to Page button to add the Pro Gallery to your website. You can choose to add it to an existing page or create a new one. After adding the Pro Gallery, you will be prompted to connect it to a media collection. You can choose to connect it to your Wix media folder or an external service like Instagram or Facebook. Select the media collection you want to use and click Connect. Once connected, you can customize your Pro Gallery by selecting a layout and choosing the images you want to display. You can also adjust the gallery settings, such as the image size and spacing, to fit your website design. To make your Pro Gallery more engaging, you can add hover effects, animations, and other interactive elements. You can also use the built-in Lightbox feature to create a pop-up gallery that allows visitors to view your images in full screen. To finalize, click on the Publish button to save your changes and make your Pro Gallery live on your website. By following these steps, you can easily add a Wix Pro Gallery to your website and showcase your images in a professional and engaging way. Remember to regularly update your Pro Gallery with fresh content to keep your website looking fresh and engaging to your visitors. With Wix Pro Gallery, you can create a stunning visual experience that showcases your brand and captivates your audience.